Debt review removal. Debt review removal process is a legal process that is governed by Section 87, 1A of the National Credit Act 34 of 2005. This process is aimed to assist previously registered debt review clients that are no longer over-indebted and can manage to maintain their debt repayments. The debt review removal process, as mentioned above, is a legal process, and you will need an excellent team of experts to get the debt review listing removed from your credit profile. The first step to take when you want to terminate the debt review process and to have the debt review listing removed from your credit profile is to contact a registered debt counselor. The debt counselor, after receiving all required documentation, will evaluate the state of your indebtedness, make certain recommendations, and refer your application to a registered attorney for legal preparation. The attorney will assist with legal preparation and legal representation and ensure that all affidavits are signed, case number, and a court date is obtained. No, you do not need to be present in court. Our legal team will act on your behalf. Thereafter, the magistrate will decide, and if the listing is granted in your favor, the debt review listing will be removed from your credit profile, and you will be able to obtain new credit. Should you wish to terminate the debt review process, please complete the online form below. This will allow us to do a proper assessment and advise further. Also, note that the initial assessment is free, and there are no upfront fees. Debt review removal frequently asked questions. Answered. The following are the most common questions about debt review removal, or removing the debt review flag, or debt review status. Can I apply for debt review removal if I have not finished paying my accounts? Yes and no. This entirely depends on your current debt review application. If an order for debt review was granted and the court confirmed that you are over-indebted, then you will not be eligible for debt review removal. A debt counselor will reject your debt review removal application and advise that you contact your current debt counselor for a clearance certificate. If we have assessed and discovered that there is no court order in place and you meet the criteria for debt review removal, the debt counselor will then begin with the debt review removal process, as stipulated in the National Credit Act. In terms of the new National Credit Amendment Act of 2014, which became effective on the 13th of March 2015, the clearance certificate can also be provided when there is an outstanding mortgage/bond agreement and all other debts have been paid up and closed. How long does the debt review removal take? The debt review removal process takes 3 to 6 months to complete, and longer if there are complications. Normally, the debt review removal application will be in court within 60 business days, and thereafter depends on the mercy of the courts. Once the matter is granted, the registered credit bureaus will also take a minimum of 20 business days to update your profile.